Roofing sheet roll forming machine consists of an automatic decoiler feeding guide, roll forming unit, hydraulic cutter with PLC-based control system. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. The frame panel thickness is 20 mm, which is more stable. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within 1 mm. This machine works extremely efficiently. Thank you, customers, for your trust. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.